Hi guys, welcome. Today we will learn about a small project of Python language that is speech recognition. In later videos I will show you how you can create a big project with the help of these small projects. So to get the notification of those videos, subscribe to the channel Tech Pahadi. Now let's begin the coding for our first project, that is speech recognition. Let me show you the demo of this project. I give it a name machine. So how it will work.
I'm Machine Sir. How may I help you? Good morning. Speak anything.
Good job, machine.
You said good job, machine.
Before typing the code for our project, we will install a package manager, that is PIP, which contains all the files needed for our module of project. Now type pip space install space pipwin and enter. I have already satisfied these all requirements, so it showing like this, but for you it can take few minutes, so don't escape until the satisfaction of these requirements. Now we will use the command pipwin space install then pyaudio. With the help of pyaudio we can easily use Python to play and record audio on a variety of platforms. For these two commands, sure that your system is connected with the internet. If there is any problem with these two commands, so you have to open your VS Code editor as an administrator, then it will not give any error. Now first I will import a library, that is pyttsx3, that is project description. It is a text to speech conversion library in Python. And to import this package, you have to install it first. You have to type pip install pyttsx3 and enter. It will be installed. After this I will define a speak function, and that will speak everything that will I give in this argument space. Here I will type audio. Now I will type engine equals to pyttsx3 dot init SAPI5, where SAPI5 is an API that is used for speech recognition. Now I will define the voices, typing like this, then get property of voices. Now I will type print, then voices. There are at least two voices. You can see this is our first voice and this is the second voice. Now to get the name of these values, I will type 0.id, save it and run it. 0 means this one audio is referred for the Hazel, and if I type 1 and run it, then this voice is for Zira. Now I will set the property type engine.set property voice, then voices 0.id. Now to check the audio, I will type here engine.say audio and then engine.run and wait. Now I will use a main method that is like this, and then use a speak function and type inside within our double quotes hello sir, and save it and run this program.
Hello sir.
Now I will create a new function, that is wish me. It will work according to the hours. For that I will import a model, that is date time. There is no need to install this module because it is inbuilt. Inside this function I will define r equals to int, then date time dot now curly braces, then dot, and then r. Now I will get the value of r from 0 to 24, and then I will use if else statement. Now I am using one more speak function inside which I will type, I am a machine sir, how may I help you? Save it. Let's run and check how it looks. Before executing this program, I will replace this with a wish me function.
I am machine sir, how may I help you? Good evening.
Now I will import one more module, that is import speech recognition as SR, and this modules uses the microphone classes. Now I will use two functions, that are print function and then speak function. Inside this I will type speak anything. Now save it and let's run this program.
I am machine sir, how may I help you? Good evening. Speak anything.
Now I will type audio equals to r.listen and then source, and this line is used for listening our phrases and extract them into an audio data. Now I will use a try block that is used to test an error in this code. Inside the try block I will use two functions, that are print and then speak function. Inside this I will type you said, then concatenate with r dot recognize Google and audio. Copy this one and paste inside the speak function also. Speak function will recognize the audio with the help of this r dot recognize Google by the Google. Make sure that you are connected to any internet connection so it will work. Try block is used to test all the errors. Now to handle them I will use except block. This is for an error whenever our system is unable to recognize what we say. Now I will use one more except block to handle the error for network issue. When our system is not connected to internet, it will speak like this. Let's change this speak with print function. Now I have disconnected my system with internet connection. Let's check the output.
I am machine sir, how may I help you? Good morning. Speak anything.
So the output is like this: could not request, that is here. Then this 0 is for recognize connection failed, and this format is used to print a number in scientific notation, that is here. Now let's check our final output. Change it to speak, and I have connected my system with internet. Now let's check our final output.
I am machine sir, how may I help you? Good morning. Speak anything.
Good job, machine.
You said good job machine.
So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you can make your Jarvis at home with the help of this simple line code and also the internet connection. So like the video and subscribe my channel Tech Pahadi.